Hello everyone and welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make the different way of magic ring. So grab your yarn, put the yarn around your two fingers, and then clip it with your finger, with your small finger or pinky finger. Insert your hook under the yarn, grab the other yarn behind it, and twist it, then grab the yarn again and pull through. And that's how you make your magic ring right here. And then you can start in crocheting. Let's say make a 10 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So while you are doing this, you have to tighten a little bit of your ring so it's easy for your work. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And after you do your 10 half double crochet, you have to tighten your tail here. Pull the tail so you can tighten up your work. And slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. And that's how you make your magic ring. This is perfect for making a flower or a hat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my tutorial, and please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates and uploads and tutorials on my channel. Thank you so much.